Hello, this is Kensworth, and today I am going to show you how to fix your key fob if it keeps locking or unlocking your car door automatically without you pressing the button. So this is the key fob for a Dodge Journey 2010 model, but it is the same for Jeep and Chrysler model and all Rams. So what you'll need for this is you'll need glue. Here I have some crazy glue, and I'm gonna open it first. So to open this, you simply slide this thing to the right, well, the opposite side, and pull out the key. So there it is. So you slide it and pull the key out. Then you'll notice a little hole right here. Just insert the key in there and just pry it open. Just be gentle not to break it. Pry it open and remove this section, and you'll notice this piece of rubber here. You can just take it out. So here is your battery. If you wanted to change your battery to replace it, then you could do it right here. It's the same procedure. However, we're concerned about the door locking and unlocking. So remove this motherboard. So you can see that it's pretty dirty. So I am going to clean it with this cotton swab here. Okay, that's cleaned up nicely. In this case, what happened here is there are these three. In this one, there are 1, 2, 3 pieces of metal there. You should be able to see them. This is 1, 2, 3. As you can realize, these are broken. So they needs to be glued back on. The glue has gotten loose, and so they need to be glued back on. All right. The door is locking or unlocking when you are not trying to get it locked or unlocked. So I'll just put that there. Just keep it there for 30 seconds, and then it should be in place. And then I'll do the other. Well, this one seems to be okay, but the middle one also needs to be glued on. Okay. And this one is okay. Yeah, so those are good. So now I'm just gonna fit it back up. Put this back so these make contact with these. Fit it back together. Make sure the edges are closed. You can look and see sealed. And you put back your key. And there it is. That's done. Your problem should be fixed. So I hope this helps. Thanks. Please remember to subscribe and click like.